Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
In Melbourne, a $100,000 annual income is generally considered good, positioning you above the median for individual earners. This salary should afford a comfortable lifestyle, allowing for savings, investments, and discretionary spending. However, personal circumstances, such as family size, debt, and lifestyle choices, play significant roles in how good this amount truly is. To maximize financial health, focus on budgeting, managing expenses, and planning for future financial goals. This approach ensures that a $100,000 income not only covers immediate needs but also contributes to long-term security and prosperity.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.